incredible so far. Give them a huge round of applause. My song would not be what it is without you guys. You guys have killed it. I'm so thankful for this. So you guys enjoy.